In 2024, BYD, short for Build Your Dreams, dethroned Tesla as the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturer, selling a staggering 4.3 million EVs in a single year and doubling its profits over just 24 months. Once mocked as a mere battery maker, BYD has become a symbol of China's industrial ambition, producing cutting-edge vehicles that rival European luxury brands with features like massaging Napa leather seats, rotating OLED displays, autonomous driving, and record-breaking 2,100 kilometers ranges, all for the price of a Volkswagen Golf. Its rapid rise is often seen as a miracle of vertical integration and government-backed innovation. Unlike Tesla or Volkswagen, BYD builds nearly every component in-house, from semiconductors to batteries, giving it unmatched control and flexibility. However, this success story may be hiding serious structural cracks. A damning report by forensic accounting firm GMT Research alleges that BYD's real debt is not the 42 billion yuan officially disclosed, but closer to 323 billion, roughly $44 billion, thanks to opaque supply chain financing practices that allow the company to delay payments to suppliers for up to 9 months. These liabilities are not reflected in official balance sheets, raising serious questions about BYD's financial transparency and long-term solvency. At the same time, quality control issues are surfacing, with mass recalls for critical safety failures, including fire risks, and thousands of complaints from customers reporting defective GPS systems, electrical problems, and poor durability. In international markets, BYD faces backlash over delayed deliveries, mold in new vehicles, and even allegations of forced labor in Brazil. Compounding these concerns, insiders report the company routinely inflates sales figures through a scheme known as 0 kilometers used cars, where unsold inventory is registered by shell companies or dealers to artificially boost reported sales. Yet, the biggest enabler of BYD's growth may be its deep reliance on the Chinese state. Between 2018 and 2022, the company received over $3.7 billion in direct subsidies, which accounted for more than a quarter of its net profits in 2022. These state supports, ranging from consumer rebates to tax credits, free land, and guaranteed public contracts, allow BYD to sell cars at razor-thin margins, averaging just $1,550 per vehicle, compared to Tesla's $9,500, undercutting global competitors in a strategy likened to Amazon-style market domination. In countries like Thailand, this aggressive pricing has already forced Japanese automakers to close factories or scale back operations. As BYD expands into Europe, Latin America, and beyond, the global auto industry faces a reckoning. Is this the future of mobility, or a ticking financial time bomb? 3 scenarios emerge: total collapse under the weight of hidden debt, complete domination of global markets, or geopolitical backlash leading to protectionism and trade wars. Ultimately, BYD is more than just a car maker. It's the tip of the spear in China's broader economic strategy, challenging the foundations of Western free market capitalism with a model built on state planning, vertical monopolies, and scale at all costs. Whether BYD becomes the next Toyota or the next Evergrande will depend not only on its balance sheets, but on how the world responds to this unprecedented industrial and economic challenge.